Hey man, I am not trying to, you know what I'm saying, milk or try to make this release bad or anything like that. I just want to give you guys actual facts and let you guys know what is going on with this Air Jordan 4 Industrial Military Blue. The release is literally in like 2 days, and I'm hearing so many crazy things that can alter this release to make it not what we all want it to be, man. So without further ado, sit back, relax. Let's hop into the video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in again, bro. Thank you guys so much. I gotta say that over and over again because I do not want you guys to think it goes unnoticed. I do truly appreciate you guys coming through, tapping in all the videos. But one thing I gotta ask you guys to do, man, leave a huge like on today's video, man. If you don't do nothing else, you don't comment, if you don't say nothing, you know what I'm saying, just hit that like button for your boy. That like button goes a long way and it helps the channel grow, man. So let's get them likes back up. We used to go crazy on the like button, man. See, I gotta go back, go crazy on the like button, man. We just did a crazy early look over the Latte Air Jordan 1s. Put a little B-roll right here to shoot behind me. Just don't feel like going to grab it. But we did an early look over the Latte Jordan 1s. I think that's like the first on YouTube, bro. One of the first on YouTube, which is super dope. So make sure you tap into that. And of course, we got some other early things on the way, man. Got some other early things on the way. So y'all stick around, stay tuned. But I said, like, hit the notification bell. And like I said, that like button, man. That like button go a long way, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all. And then I had to put you guys on to, again, man, one of the most upcoming, thriving Discord communities, and that is Secret Sauce, man. Secret Sauce is a subscription-based exclusive, you know, membership that you can get over on Discord. Discord is like pop around. Everybody got Discord, but one thing a lot of people don't got or don't know about probably is Secret Sauce, man. Secret Sauce helps people with shot drop information, exclusive access information, and if anything does drop early, like a Travis Scott, like the Travis Scotts we've been waiting on forever to shot drop on his website, the people in Secret Sauce, the members of Secret Sauce will get that link first and be checking out before everybody else, man. They also offer auto checkout service. So say for instance, you like me, you got a 9-to-5 job and you can't be on your phone, on a computer all day. They can help you out with auto checking out your pair, and depending on your tier that you do get with Secret Sauce, you can get multiple auto checkouts. That's a huge plus, man. And speaking of these joints right here, the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, they are offering every single member a pair retail. They are so confident, bro. So confident. He said, man, I'm so confident all the members are gonna get these things that if you don't get them for retail, they're gonna go out their way and find a pair just for you and get it to you at that retail value, man. So make sure you guys go check out Secret Sauce Group ASAP Rocky. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box. I want you guys to go take huge advantage of it. I ain't gonna lead y'all in the wrong direction, but you guys always ask me, man, what's the best Discord to get into? And I'm telling y'all, bruh, Secret Sauce is the way to go. All right, guys, so you probably like, man, what is DeVintage talking about in the title? What is he talking about in the thumbnail? And the first thing I did want to point out is I do not think there is a million pairs of the military blues. You know, so I got them right here, bro. I've been throwing them around this entire video, but I truly do not believe, you know what I'm saying, don't feel like it. It probably is over a million pairs, but it definitely does not feel like it is, bro. You know, usually when you get a million pairs or something close to that, like a Air Jordan 11 release during holiday season, everybody is getting W's. Everybody getting W's on shot drops. Everybody getting W's on exclusive access and stuff like that. If you guys seen this past shot drop and exclusive access, it did not move like a million pair sneaker. If I might add, bro, it did not feel like a million pair sneaker. And another thing that I seen this morning, yesterday, is this JD and Finish Line exclusive access. Y'all guys know how that usually roll out. It roll out crazy. People get their pairs, they secure them, you know, easily over on JD and Finish Line. But it seems like today, not a lot of people hit on that exclusive access. And if you did, bro, please let me know down below in the comment section. That app is still a little bit harder to kind of figure out, if I might add. If you're a first-time buyer on that app, it's probably gonna be a little bit difficult for you. But it was not a lot of people that you seen them W's on. Like, you guys see it on Twitter, you see it on Instagram, you see it all over social media, people talking about the exclusive accesses from Nike, from JD, from Finish Line, and not a lot of people are securing and getting that W. But again, they saying it's a million pairs. So you would think, of course, Nike sneakers has a lot of pairs. And then another thing leading to these joints right here is Foot Locker and Champ Sports. Now, this is gonna be the kicker right here. A lot of people gonna be salty with me because I am dropping this video the day before the results come out on the FLX app. You guys know you put in for them joints on Foot Locker. You put in for them joints on Champ Sports. And I am hearing that not all of these stores have gotten all of their inventory. They haven't got all the inventory at all yet. And I talked to the homie today, man. Shout out to the homie. He even told me for Finish Line, they had only sizes 9 and up. So I can tell you one or two things, man. The shipments are delayed or something else is going on in the works. I don't see, I haven't heard anything about, trains or trucks or semis and stuff like that getting hit for these joints. But it seems like there is a huge delay. I don't know what that could be about. You guys want to push the release date back to May the 27th or something. Then they gave it, gave it to us a little bit early for May the 4th, which is this upcoming weekend. So I don't know if that was the issue, the shipment delays and stuff like that. But you could definitely see that issue arise. And even some people in the comment section, I hope you guys do comment down below. Let me know how your release day goes. And this video might be more viewed tomorrow when the results come out for these joints, because, man, I'm telling y'all, been hearing a lot of crazy things about it. And you guys have probably been seeing it as well. So I don't want y'all to think I'm just making some stuff up. Just want to put you guys on. It's almost like an Instagram story post, but I'm here talking to you guys live in the flesh. So I hope y'all see it as that, not me, because you can say milking the content. That's what everybody's saying, milking the content. But I actually try to give you guys some real up-to-date information surrounding the release, especially something like the Military Blue Force, my sneaker of the year. I don't care if nobody say, I already had the Bread 4s, I already had the Black Cement 3s, I already had the Legend Blue 11s. What I wanted the most this year was the OG Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. I ain't here to argue with nobody, just my personal sneaker of the year, man. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section what you think about today's video, bro. What have you heard around your local areas? And one other thing that I did want to add, I feel like I heard something about Dick's Sporting Goods, but I'm not gonna come up here saying something because I don't remember. It was like a couple of, maybe it was this past week, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe earlier this week. You guys know about the wristbands and stuff like that. I heard some Dick's Sporting Goods weren't doing it yet, or they didn't have a lot of pairs or some crazy jazz. But if you did secure a pair over at Dick's Sporting Goods, you got your wristband, all you just walk in there, bro. Please let me know how that went as well. But hopefully the shipment delays and stuff like that ain't going to alter the release too bad. But if what I'm hearing is true, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to cop. And I'm telling y'all, a lot of people will come to the video tomorrow, let me know they got a huge L or W on the Military Blues on the FLX app. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will be doing a giveaway on the Military Blues. You guys stay tuned, stick around for the details. I got something really, really special for y'all. I can't wait to announce it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And make sure, like I said, bro, y'all leave a huge like on today's video, man. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. All that's being said, bro. Hey, good luck on these Military Blues. Let me catch y'all in tomorrow's video, man. Peace.